I welcome you to this channel. On this channel, we talk about airdrop, crypto, and other legit platforms. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on that notification bell so you will get notified when we post our next video. And for sponsorship or advertisement, just contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. The link to my WhatsApp and Telegram are in the description below. I'm your host, Shina Oladele. Alright guys, let's dive into today's video. In this video, I want to show you how you can connect your Phantom wallet to a DEX Screener, and from there you can buy your Solana MEMECOINS. So for those who are new to Phantom wallet, this is the image of Phantom wallet. This is how it looks like. So let me click on it and open it for us. Okay, so I've opened the Phantom wallet. Ensure that you save your seed phrase and everything before you start transacting on your Phantom wallet. So this is actually a new account. So I want to connect this Phantom wallet right now to a DEX Screener. So the first step you have to take is that here you look for Solana here. Solana, you can see Solana here. You click on Solana. You click on Solana. All right, I've clicked on it. Then just come down here. You see receive. You see cash buy. So you click on receive. You click on receive because you want to copy our address for Solana. You click on copy. I click on copy. Okay, so you now come to this place here. This search area here. You click on it. You click on it. I've clicked on it. I click on it. Then you can see the site or tokens or URL here. So here you are going to enter dexscreener.com here at this place. DEX Screener. We want to connect our Phantom wallet to DEX Screener. All right, so you click on open here. You click on open. I click on open. Okay, so it has loaded successfully. Then the next step is that you come to this place here, this explore area here, these three lines you are seeing here. You click on the three lines you are seeing here. I have clicked on it. Okay, so it has loaded now. You can see watch list, you can see multi-chart, new pairs, gainers and losers, you can see portfolio. So you click on portfolio here, you click on portfolio. So you can see here, it shows that you are not tracking any wallet yet. Add a wallet. So you are going to add the wallet in this place. You click on add a wallet. I click on add a wallet. Add the wallet. So you give your wallet a name. Let me call the wallet airdrop. Let me call it airdrop 01. Airdrop 01. 01. So the next place, enter the wallet address. You are going to enter the address that we have copied before. That's address of Solana that we have copied. You are going to enter it in this place. So you click on this place and you paste that address here. So the address have been pasted. Then here you now click on add wallet. Add wallet. Okay, so the wallet has been added successfully. So all the amount you have in your Phantom wallet will be showing here. Once you have any amount of coins in your Phantom, it will be showing here. But this is a new account, so I have nothing here. Total value here is $0. So that's basically how to connect your Phantom wallet to a DEX Screener, just in case you want to buy Solana meme coins. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to actually buy that meme coins in the next video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to also like and subscribe if you are yet to do so. Let us meet in my next video.